Right then, another video, sat down at my computer, looking at cars. So Wayne, who we race with in the KAs, sent sent Scott a message this morning saying, what can you do to this, thinking of buying one. And we told him he'd be in a bidding war with us if he did. So, looking at this one here, Audi Q7 V12, and the good thing is, it's near the burrito place that we go. So, emailed him earlier this morning and just said, is there any sort of deal going on? Because it says in the listing, which the listing's like ridiculous really, it's a really good listing. I think he likes this car more than we do, and he's called Ryan as well, so that's good. Good strong name. So yeah, and they're on about having it serviced. It will be served at Audi prior to sale, which I'm not bothered about Audi servicing it, but it's got good service history. It's not done stupid miles, wherever that is, 66,000, enough that it's been getting used. So we saw this, like they never come up, let's get on it. But then I just thought, just have a look, maybe for this video more than else, what else V12 can you get for less than 30 grand? And you get a nice Aston Martin DB7 Vantage, or a DB9, which Danny likes them, don't you, Danny? You want one of them. You want to be a pretty boy, playboy. A few of them Aston Martins, they must be terribly unreliable. You like a nice SL600. That is not a V12. I'm pretty sure. Did the Flying Spur have a V12? I thought it was W12, like a GT. But anyway, doesn't matter. Still got 12 cylinders. So I'm thinking not much interesting comes up, and then this bugger popped up. Definitely missed that one. That's a cheaper one, but it's absolutely miles away, and it's older. Listing's not as good, pictures not as good, specs not as good. So we've talked ourselves out of this one purely because we can't eat a burrito around corner from this one. I think that's maybe the main reason. But like 10 grand cheaper is a lot, so we're forgetting that exists at the minute unless we go to look at this one and it's a bag of crap. So obviously the V12, nearly 500 horsepower, 1,000 newton meters, which is like 740 pounds feet, whatever you want to say. 500 horsepower, standard, 600 weir tune, because we've got two 2260 turbos, so exciting times. I think we need to ring in, see when we can go look at it. And we've got it all planned out that we're going to go today, or now, and I just know, let me get the phone number up. Anyway, there's always summer when it comes to cars. Hello, is that Ryan? Yeah, mate, I'm calling from Darkside Developments. We sent you an email this morning about the Q7. Yeah, not too bad, mate, not too bad at all. I'm just wondering if we could come down and look at it, like now, if possible. Yeah, can we set off like now? I've sorted a few things out, shuffled a few things around, and we can sort of set off in next 10 minutes or something like that, if that suits you. Yeah? Sweet. Nice one. Cheers, Ryan. Talk to you, mate. Ta-da. Bye. Easy peasy. We'll set off now. So I've got my laptop, Batcom cable, Scott's with me. No twin comments please. Last video just a photo. So we decided to choose the Touareg because it's the cleanest vehicle we've got, and for some reason ESP lights on, and I don't think suspension's levelling up properly, but we'll take it anyway. Right, mate.
Give me the keys and leave to have a look around it. And
Yeah, nice one.
do what
Yeah,
you do.
just jump in and go for a drive as well then.
Do you want to? Yeah, no problem.
Got insurance for all that.
Yeah.
Cars and that,
Sounds good. Round there.
Has it got a tub?
Yeah. That's good then. I wondered if it had a tub. Yeah, that panel clips off.
Yeah. Sweet.
You can see it there, can't you?
Yeah. Same as what's on that Touareg, same one. Ken and Nigel needs to go. We will discard. So smooth. Service due. Tyre pressures resetting. Turn blowers down again. Everything's slippy. So you have a button bar, check everything's working. They're already warm, this. What? Yeah, engine. It's not been driven, brakes are flat cold, but it's been ticking over. Imagine if battery were flat. ITV. That looks dangerous. ABS. The dust ball. Got as well. Is heated seat on? I feel like I've weed myself. Yeah, heated seat. So it's heated seat, then a dial. You press button, then a dial. He's got heated seats in back. People yelling. Kids screaming. Can we turn telly off, please? I want to concentrate on car. What's this button do? Should I just press it? Oh, glove box! Why do you need a button to open your glove box? Glove box things for, yeah, they're for paupers. And these tyres are noisy, aren't they? These tyres are nearly as noisy as all terrains, obviously. Electric everything. It's nice and smooth. We'll gear a little bit then, now what? National there. National speed limit. All that traffic one. Yeah. Lines are that. It's got DAB. Watch when you go, watch. My SQ5 had them, same mirror caps. This is a drive to Europe vehicle. Costs you an absolute fortune, but what are we doing here? Feels very tight there. Probably not, never gone in sport. I feel like it. can't boot it on roundabout. What are you doing?
I know you're not getting it ready.
It needs to be ready.
Getting it ready so it's very awkward. Let me wait till we're straight.
It's not supple ride, is it? Is it in sport or something? Suspension? Is it like... Is it adjustable? Car. No, I don't think there is. Ah, here we go. That's why it's automatic. Let's go to comfort. And we could drop it down a bit. Off-road button don't work. You can't go into off-road button. We'll have to sort that out. Do you want to get a log going on it or not? Or just thrashing it? Sounds weird. You think? Not bad weird, just like... Not how you'd expect. Which one we offer? No fault codes found on engine. What am I logging then? It's normal values. 11, 8 and 1. Why not say 8, 11 and 1? Because that's what makes more sense. Turbo. These tyres are traction light flash then. Did it? What tyres has it got on? I'm having a look at them when we get out though. It's me. He's going to think we've stole it. They're noisy as the tyres, aren't they? I think it's just dual 4 tyres. Has it got like a sport sort of adaptive air suspension? Is it damper? Has it got dampers in? Aye though. It says off-road now, you can put it to off-road. Must be under a certain speed. Henderson's relish. Yeah, mate. It's delicious. Steering's typical Audi. Vague. Heavy. Yeah, well, not just that. Just heavy. Sounds like a boots leak. Start a log. Yeah. No, it's resuming another one. It's not slow though, is it? It just don't feel. It's just a big silly bus. 2.6 ton, this, isn't it? I can't believe how bad it won't hit with that pothole. Manual, it's like throttles like instant response. Just want to see what lag's like. Which has got a boost leak. Resume the log. Thing is, with stuff like this, you've got that much torque anyway. You wouldn't realise. Yeah. together, you know what I mean? They're not just two independents. It's like in manual it's like throttles like instant response. Just want to see what lag's like. Which has got a boost leak. Just want to see what lag's like. Thing is, with stuff like this, you've got that much torque anyway. You wouldn't realise. Yeah. whistling. So, I've just driven the V12. Never driven one before. Pretty quick. Yeah, just smooth. It's an heavy thing, so it's not going to be fast, but yeah, drives pretty good. And we're lifting up. We're lifting. Walk on fault spot suspension because it's not lifting up. Turbos, they just have a boosting all the time. Are they? Under boosting there. It's 3,000 RPM, it never made full boost. That's that long pull there. Boosting all the time. That's over boosting. That's requested. It's under boosting there. Vanes are stuck boosting there. So, not sure what to make of that. The guy we talked to on the phone's busy trying to sell a car to somebody else, so his dad come along and told us it's lining like mad on that, but make your own opinion on that one. It's mechanics having a look at it now, but basically what they're going to do is either sell it to somebody who don't know what they're on about, and hopefully let warranty company pick up pieces, but I'd like to do things, but it is what it is. This is not meant to be slagging anybody off. It's a shame we didn't really record the full conversation because it was just absolute load of rubbish, but it is what it is. We've come and had a go. We've got the money ready to spend, but we might go look at that cheaper one. But it is what it is. Cheers. It's not all bad. Still going to be able to get a burrito from Street Food Chef.